So welcome to the final video of this coach webinar series. I'm really stoked right now because I just drank some liquid lightning. You guys all know, you see me drinking it every day. What I love about it is I can drink it at 7, 8 o'clock at night when I'm about to host videos or workshops or masterminds with my coaches, and I still sleep all throughout the night, even when I go to bed at like 9:30. So very low in caffeine. Just a little subtle plug right there. I'm opening up my email because I got a few questions from some of you gals who I invited to this group via email, and I wanted to answer them. So let me just pull this up. There was one email that had just amazing questions, like a few different amazing questions. I'm pulling it up. I hope you guys are having a great night. I'm just so overjoyed that y'all chose to spend this group with me, spend the time watching these videos. I know it takes time out of your day, and time is a precious thing, right? It's like the most valuable thing we have. There's that quote, time is money, but really in my perspective, I think time is way more valuable than money. So that is how I run my business too. And that's another thing I wanted to share with you guys, and I'll dive into after I answer these questions, is just like the power of this business of coaching and what it can do for your life, how it can drastically transform your life and give you that time back. If you're a mom, or if you're a wife, or if you just always known always working, like constantly working. That's what I've always known. Ever since I was like 4 or 5 years old, my parents taught me how to earn money. They would pay me to do my chores, they had a rental house, and I would literally pick up cigarette butts, and my dad paid me, a penny per cigarette butt. And so I have been, working a job, earning money since I was like 5 years old, 4 or 5. And what I realized, the most valuable thing in the world, my love language is quality time. So the most valuable thing in the world to me is having time to be with my loved ones. And that is something that is, the foundation of my business, and something I will forever work towards, is building a life where I don't have to work all the time. I love this job and I love working, and I could work this job all the time, but really the ultimate goal for me is not for Beachbody to be my life, for coaching to be my life. The ultimate goal is for it to give me a life, right? So that's what I want to dive a little bit more into. Let me just open these questions. Sorry, I get sidetracked so freaking easy. So let's see here. A little lost in the whole coaching thing on how to step next or get started. Okay, so that's literally what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So there's that video in here I posted a few days ago. It's not me talking, it's another coach. She created the video, and I just use it because it's amazing, and that's how this coach community works. We all share things and use each other's stuff because everybody's okay with it, okay with sharing things, right? You don't have to reinvent the wheel or recreate the wheel. If something's working and if somebody created it, give credit where credit is due, but use it to your advantage. That is how we all work in my team. I'm wearing my team shirt right now, Team Wholehearted. So the best place that you can get started as a coach, literally, there's going to be 2 places actually, because a lot of you guys have already signed up for one of my boot camps. So if that's you, if you've already done that, you're kind of past step 1. And step 2 then would be to finish the coach prep course, which is found in our team page. And if you've already finished that, then you're past step 2 on to step 3. Step 3 would be start inviting people to join you in on this program, in on your health journey. Obviously, you've been posting about it. You've been probably sharing about it because I've told you to. So if you're not, go share about it. Go post about it. Go, have a conversation with your mom, with your brother, with your sister, with your daughter, anybody in your life. Obviously, if you're getting healthier and happier in your body and you're seeing results and you're feeling results, that is something to shout from the rooftops, right? If I go see a movie or I go to a restaurant and it absolutely changed my life because the food was amazing. Oh my gosh, tonight I made carrot fries. Have you guys ever made carrot fries? It's so amazing. They will change your life. I'm not going to go into how to make them, but I'm telling you guys this because you guys are my people, you're my tribe, and I'm probably going to go post about it tomorrow, how amazing and life-changing these carrot fries are. So same thing, that is what we do as coaches. We share what has changed our life and what has worked for us, and we invite people to join in on it. Like, I would invite you to join me next time in making these carrot fries. Like, I'll probably do a live video or something and teach you how to do it so that you can do it for yourself. That is what we do as coaches. So if you're not doing that already and you've already completed your program, you're already sharing it on social media, you've already worked through the coach prep course, you are so well equipped to start earning money like today. Well, actually tomorrow, because tomorrow's payday. We get paid on Thursdays. So literally, if you went out there and, like, let's say your mom, you shared the program that you did with your mom and you got her signed up with the exact same thing that you got started with, signed up with, you would earn a 25% commission on her starting her own fitness challenge or her own health journey, whatever, like however you want to say it, you would get a commission from that. And basically that's one of the ways that we can earn money as coaches. The second way we can earn money as coaches is building a team of other coaches to do this alongside of you. And what's so cool, if any of you guys have ever thought, like, I'm scared, this sounds like a pyramid scheme, here is why it is not. The way that we get paid, the second way, when I start building a team, like let's say I have 3 coaches alongside of me and they're like pumped about sharing their own journey, they're pumped about getting other people started on their own journey. Let's say one of them is you. So in a pyramid scheme, money is only moved around the community, around the network. And so in a pyramid scheme, if you got your mom signed up, then you would get paid and then part of your paycheck would go to me. But that's not how this works. That's not how this company is. This company is so full of integrity. That's actually illegal. Pyramid schemes are illegal, if you are ever wondering or curious about it. And I say this not to accuse anybody of thinking of it, but just because I know when I first started, I was very hesitant and nervous, and I thought it was a pyramid scheme. I honestly didn't even know what a pyramid scheme was, but I think all my parents, all my friends, everybody I knew thought it was, and I thought it was too. But it was working for me, and so I was like, gonna give it a chance, right? So the way that this works, coaching works, the second way you can get paid, obviously the first way, like I said, it's based off commissions, based off sharing this opportunity, these programs with people. The second way, so I start building a team alongside me. Like, let's say their names are Jenny, Abigail, and Trish. So Jenny, Abigail, and Trish all go out and decide to sign their mom up. And so their mom signs up. Woohoo! They just earned a commission off of that. Each of them got their own commission from their moms signing up. And then since Beachbody will look at me and go, wow, Leanna, like, you are doing a really good job mentoring and teaching your coaches how to be successful coaches, right? That you're teaching them how to successfully share and help people with their health and with the programs, right? And so instead of like a cut of their paycheck coming to me, it's actually considered a bonus. So literally I will go into my paycheck tomorrow and I will see a bonus from Team Beachbody straight from their like total earnings as a company. And that's how we get paid. And it's really amazing because that is actually where the most income potential comes from, is from these bonuses. When you start building a team of other people and you are, stepping into a leadership role and you are helping your coaches successfully build their own businesses and successfully help other, men and women with health, paying that forward, Beachbody gives you a bonus. And it literally, it doesn't come out of your own coach's paychecks. That is what I love so much about this, because it's like, hey, we see the work you're doing. You're killing it. Here you go. Money in the bank, right? And that is on top of my own commissions that I have earned from helping other women with their health journeys, right? And so the income potential in this business is ridiculous, because if you build a team of women or men alongside of you who are just as passionate, if not more passionate than you are about this business, you will forever be getting bonuses from Beachbody, because you've created this wheel, right? And it's just going. It's like a car. You've put the wheels on the car, and there are other drivers than you. Like, if I'm only building a team where I'm trying to just help people off of commissions, then I'm going to be driving my car for the rest of my life, right? Like, if I go into work and I work, then I get paid. If I don't go into work, I don't get paid. But when you start building a team of people helping you drive that car. There are weekends or days or weeks where you can go to the passenger side of the car, and you can take a little break, and you can like take a breather, go on a vacation with your family and let your team of leaders keep driving the car. So the business never has to stop. The money never has to stop coming in, right? Like, that is absolute freedom right there. That is absolute like potential, and it just blows my mind because it's all done in such an integrous way. Is that a word? Integrous? It's done in a way where nobody is getting the short end of the stick, right? Like, everything is fair, everything is earned, and you are in charge of your own business. And so obviously you're not going to build a business to that level in a matter of 4 months or 5 months or 6 months or even a year. Like, I haven't even gotten to a place in my business, and I've been doing this now for about 2.5 years, where I feel 100% confident to like walk away for a week. But I know that's in my future. I know that 5-6 years into this thing, I'm going to be able to, have the freedom of a lifetime, like have the freedom that no one else that I know will ever have. And that is what I'm working so hard for, because I grew up in a family where finances were always an issue. I always felt the responsibility on my shoulders as a really responsible kid and child. And I never want my kids to be raised with that someday. Like, someday I want to have a family. We travel all the time, but someday I want to be able to, either bring my family on the road with me or settle down. And honestly, I'll probably just bring them on the road with me. Let's be real. I love nomad lifestyle. And, the only way that those things can happen, the only way there's financial freedom and security and, a release of anxiety and worry, and the freedom to tell my children, like, hey, if you want to go to college, you can go to college. If you don't want to go to college, you don't have to go to college. Like, just to give them that option, it all starts with financial freedom, right? And so, like, that is what I get so freaking stoked about and hyped up about, because like, I'm starting this thing now, and not only like that opportunity financially, but the fact that it's a job where I am like so blessed and I am in love with it every single day. Yeah, there are hard moments. Yeah, there are hard seasons. Yeah, there are struggles, but like seeing that ultimate vision, like I just shared with you guys, for myself, for my future family, for, my husband, for our dog, like having that deeper purpose and vision and why. Like, I'm so rooted in that vision for my life. It's not a matter of if anymore. Like, it's literally a matter of when. And it just like, it literally gives me goosebumps and butterflies, because that is what I'm working hard towards every single day. And again, like I said, it's matching your passion with a financial freedom and opportunity. And I have always been such a passionate person. I've been passionate about yoga, music, art, like so many things. Like I'm very creative, and I've never found a job where those two things align and go like hand in hand. And this is one of those things. Like I said, it's not going to happen overnight. It doesn't happen, after 6 months. Like, you have to be dedicated to showing up. This is your business. Like, you're the CEO. Your business rises and falls on you. But like I said, there's that income opportunity and potential to build a team alongside of you, to do this alongside of you, so that you can literally live the life of your dreams and chase after this freedom. And, like for me, that looks like having a family someday where we can literally all go on tour together with Chad, with their dad, and we can be a family on the road traveling and not have to worry about money. Or, maybe we're all home, but Chad has a show out in whatever, California, and I want to fly us all out there just for the weekend with the dogs, whatever. I want to be able to do that stuff. Like, I want to be able to give my family that freedom and that opportunity. So yeah, that's why I'm literally so excited. I'm so pumped up right now just talking about this, and I could cry. Like, I always tell my coaches on my team, like, if you don't have a why that's rooted so deeply that it doesn't make you cry when you think really hard about it, then you need to dig deeper and get a stronger why, a more powerful why, and it's really important too to like set mile markers, because that big why sometimes can get overwhelming. But for me right now, like, we have a mile marker of we want to go into van life. We want to build a van and renovate a van, but a van costs a lot of money, and a van renovation costs a lot of money. And so our next like mile marker or goal, so to speak, is to buy, renovate, and build out a van that we can live in and travel the world full time in, because we're kind of like part-time traveling right now. We're not traveling in our RV, Phoebe, but we're always traveling, right? Like you guys always see me traveling. So that's our next goal. That's our next milestone, and we're gonna get there. Like I said, all these goals, like the beauty of coaching is it's with your life. Like none of this stuff that you want to go after and chase is a matter of if it happens or I hope it happens. Like it's all a matter of when. It's only timing, right? Because if you're the like CEO and boss of your own business, it's up to you. And if you work hard enough and make it all happen in the amount of time that you've given yourself, then you'll hit the goal. You'll get there. But if you don't, it's not like you just throw in the towel and say bye, peace out. Like, no, you're still the boss, the CEO of your own business. So you just keep working at it and keep going and maybe adjust your goal date, but you're still going to get to the goal, right? So like for me, I love coaching because it's this never ending journey of growth and love, and the first thing that you do as a coach is take care of yourself. And so like if I am not well, then like my business doesn't do well. So in my mind, it's like the ultimate job. Like it is the ultimate best job in the world, because there's this financial freedom. There's this community. There's taking care of yourself before anyone else, making sure your cup is filled up so you can pour from that and not an empty cup every day, right? Like I used to be a barista and I'd go in and serve people from this empty cup every single day. And it was just terrible. I felt like anxious and stressed and depressed, and I would come home and I'd just cry after my shifts. And now it's like there's so much freedom and like love being poured back into me. So anyways, that is what I got to share with you guys tonight. If you have any other lasting questions, please comment them below on this video, and I will get back to them ASAP. The last little thing I wanted to share with you guys, kind of like my surprise, is that early bird registration for my October boot camp is actually in full swing as of yesterday. I've only let people know on the back end of things privately, so you guys are literally like the first people to know. And if you sign up for early bird registration, there are two major perks you're getting. Number one, you get a $20 off coupon for your package that you're getting started with. Obviously, if you've already been a part of my boot camps, this doesn't apply to you. I love you so much, but you're already in my boot camp, so it would be dumb for you to get like a brand new package because you already have your online gym and you're probably already ordering your superfoods or your pre-workout like Liquid Lightning. Am I right? But if you're brand new, like I said, then you get a $20 off coupon, number one. Number two, your spot is saved, so you don't have to freak out about me running out of spots before the group gets started for you, so you have your spot solidified. And number three, I'm sending out a sample of your pumpkin spice superfoods. I don't know if you guys knew this was a thing, but there's pumpkin spice Shakeology right now. And yeah, I'm going to send you a free sample of it. And for all of you girls who are already signed up and in on my boot camp, let's say you're ready to like start diving into coaching, I will still give you a way to get the pumpkin spice superfoods. And it's actually gonna be, once you sign up your first person, I'll send you a sample of that superfood. So you'll get paid and then you'll get the superfoods to try, right? Like all the perks. Okay. This video has been so long. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me for these past few days. It's meant so much. Like I said, it's been such a blast. Have a great rest of your night. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye!